इन दिनों हम देख रहे हैं कि एक वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का जो एक ट्रेंड है या एक हवा है या एक कहें कि एक बहुत ही पहल चल पड़ी है। बहुत अलग अलग तरह से लोग वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट को परिभाषित करते हैं। आप खुद एक सेल्फ मेड अभिनेत्री हैं। आपके लिए वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की डेफिनेशन क्या है?
आई थिंक वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की डेफिनेशन हर एक की अपनी अलग होती है। कुछ लड़कियों को लगता है, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल लड़कियों के भी ऐसे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में ऐसे कोट्स पढ़ती हूँ, ऐसी बातें सुनती हूँ कि हम क्यों डिज़र्व करते हैं हीरोज़, यू नो दे गेट यू सो मच ओपनिंग, दे गेट यू दिस एंड दैट, तो ऑब्वियसली वो हमसे ज़्यादा पैसा डिज़र्व करते हैं। एक लड़की की शेल्फ लाइफ बहुत कम होती है। सो इफ़ यू डोंट फील एम्पावर्ड, नोबडी कैन मेक यू फील एम्पावर्ड। तो हमेशा हर एक की अपनी डेफिनेशन होती है। यू हैव टू फील लाइक एन इक्वल। आपको खुद लगना चाहिए कि मुझ में कोई कमी नहीं है, मुझे भी भगवान ने पेनक्रियाज, किडनीज, हार्ट, आई सब दिया हुआ है। अगर यू नो नहीं भी मुझ में फिजिकली कोई कमी भी होती तो मैं किसी तरह से मेरे सेंस में एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग कोई कमी नहीं है। दैट शुड बी योर फीलिंग, देन ओनली यू कैन बी एम्पावर्ड। अगर आप खुद एम्पावर्ड फील नहीं करते हैं तो कोई फिल्म, कोई कोट, कोई भी आपको कोर्स एम्पावर्ड फील नहीं करा सकता है। सो आई ऑल वांट टू टेल द वुमेन दैट लुक इनटू द मिरर एंड क्या कमी है आप में, क्यों हम लोग एम्पावर्ड फील नहीं करते हैं। आई थिंक आधे से ज़्यादा बैटल तो वही लूज हो जाता है जब आपको लगता है कि आप डिजर्व नहीं करते हैं। तो आई जस्ट फील यू आर एज एम्पावर्ड एज यू थिंक यू आर।
Here's wishing each one of you precious women a very happy Women's Day. Start with celebrating yourself today, because there's just one of you, and if you don't value yourself, no one will. More power to you, and loads of love and smiles and love.
I think if you sincerely feel so very strongly about something, and like whatever I've done in my life has always come from strong instincts, you know, something that from inside of me tells me that I should do something, so I listen and I do it, and I don't get scared. So I think the idea is that you know, you always know what it is that you have to do, what life where you want to be pushed, you know, where you want your life to push you. So you should listen to yourself, and you should back yourself and support yourself. Only when you support yourself can anybody else support you.
International Women's Day है, तो आपका women's के लिए क्या message है?
Hi, this is Anushka Sharma wishing all you beautiful, lovely, strong women very happy Women's Day.
People like Kareena are setting an example, you know, no, but yeah, okay, maybe to a certain extent, but I look at Kareena and I'm like, okay, she got married, she was on set, she was working. You would never ask a man, like, there are stories that are coming out, iski shaadi ho rahi hai, will she be working, she's giving up her life and going here and going there. Will they ever say that ki this Shahid Kapoor ki shaadi ho gayi, किसी ने पूछा कि is he going to work or not work, you know? So if you have someone like Kareena Kapoor who has gone straight onto set after her wedding, she's gotten pregnant, had a baby and straight gone to work. Nobody will ask a man these questions. Nobody will ask any man this question, but why is it a woman is always asked this question? So that is something, this is a mindset, this misogynistic mindset is what needs to change. And hopefully with films like this, maybe something changes, you know. And I think hopefully if this film does well, which touch wood, we all are hoping and praying that it does, because it's important for a film like this to do well, so that we as women get our space, get our, you know, we break the glass ceiling some way or the other.
How many working moms do we have here? Yeah? Okay, great. So how many of you ladies take a little time of the day to spend on yourself, genuinely? See, the women are so busy working, taking care of everything, they don't really take out that much time for themselves. Okay, now this is a tricky one, yeah? So how many ladies travel on your own? Like globally travel, go everywhere. Stand up ladies. Yes. So now for the very tricky one. So how many ladies tell their men, yeah, okay, listen to them and actually do whatever they want? Yeah? Is it everyone in the room?
I'm a big believer of women being the most underutilized resource in this world, because within each woman resides a maternal heart and a lot of passion. And if you save, if you produce actually, why should we say save? We should produce more girl children. Because, you know, every small thing that you do, I was talking about education, anything that you teach a woman is going to spread further and wider than when you teach a man. Because a woman has that kind of feeling in her heart, she will teach her children, she is going to teach her society. Women know how to share, they're gentler, they're sweeter, they're kinder. I truly believe a world which will be ruled by women will be a much nicer world than ruled mainly by men. I'm a big believer of women and children and girls, and I stand by that, and I'm hoping for the day that girls take over the world, because girls like me also. So I have, for me it's beneficial, and they smell nicer, and they look better, and they're gentler, and every which way more pleasant people to be around.
This is for girls who stay up all night. This is for you who are willing to fight. For hidden fears, hurt, pain and tears, under the smiles, laughs and giggles we hear. Let your hair down, straight or curls. You're beautiful because you fight like a girl. For girls who wear short skirts and their heart on their sleeve. For girls who know how difficult it is to believe. The girls who scream and cry to their pillows and tell them their goals. For girls who have a secret but can't tell a soul. Let your eyes be your diamonds, make them your pearls. You're beautiful because you fight like a girl. For girls who have made mistakes and have had regrets galore. The girls that may not win but always get up from the floor. The girls who take life as it comes, the girls who have broken the code. For the girls who hope that it'll get better somewhere down the road. Let your steps be a dance and jump and do the swirl. You're beautiful because you fight like a girl. For the girls who love with all their heart, although it sometimes gets broke. To girls who think it's over. To real girls, to all girls who have tears to soak. You throw, you pick up and fall.
शाहरुख, मैं आपसे ये सवाल करना चाहूँगा कि हर कामयाब आदमी जो होता है उसके पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है। ये कहावत को कितना अपनी ज़िंदगी में आप अहमियत रखते हैं इसकी, और क्या मानते हैं कि ये सही है?
मेरी तो कितनी औरतों का हाथ है यार। हम श्रीदेवी जी से लेकर अनुष्का शर्मा तक सारी औरतें ही औरतें। और मतलब obviously घर की जो देखभाल है, the way it is done in my house by Gauri, I think it's beautiful because you need that kind of atmosphere at home जो फिल्मों से detached है। तो I think सबसे बड़ी गिफ्ट वो है। बाकी वो कितना encourage करें नहीं करें, काम समझें नहीं समझें, उसके बारे में ठीक हो तो तारीफ़ करें, ख़राब हो तो सांत्वना दें, नहीं वो सब तो है। But I think the most beautiful thing is to be able to handle a household, to keep it detached from my work. अदरवाइज़ जैसा आपने कहा, मुझे लगता है जेन्युइनली मजाक के बिना भी मेरे कामयाबी के पीछे बहुत सारी औरतों का हाथ है। एक्ट्रेसेस का हाथ है, डायरेक्टर्स का हाथ है, फारा है, मेरे साथ जो काम करती हैं लड़कियां, औरतें, वो उनका हाथ है। मीडिया में बहुत सारी लेडीज़ हैं, उनका हाथ है। और मैं बहुत प्यार से कह रहा हूँ ये, बिकॉज मैं उस बात को रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ और समझता हूँ। मुझे मालूम है ये बात कि ये नहीं कि मर्दों ने नहीं किया, वो भी करते हैं, बट समवेयर डाउन द लाइन माई लाइफ हैज़ बीन लेड बाय वुमेन। माई मदर फर्स्ट, देन माई सिस्टर, नाउ माई डॉटर, wife in the middle. It really has been led by women, and I have no qualms stating that. A lot of people think मैं औरतों की बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ, रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ। अगर it would be wrong of me not to be any other way. मुझे ज़िंदगी में इतना दिया है औरतों ने, तो जब हम ऐसे फिल्मों में बोलते हैं किसी घर में माँ होगी, बेटी होगी, बहन होगी, आई थिंक हर एस्पेक्ट में मुझे औरतों ने बहुत दिया, और मेरे लिए एक्स्ट्रा काम में भी बहुत दिया है। जितनी भी एक्ट्रेसेस ने काम किया है मेरे साथ, बहुत सिखाया है। कल रात को यहाँ पे बहुत सारी थी, उनमें से जो पहले की हैं, जो अभी कर रही हैं, मतलब बहुत 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 प्यार दिया है। और हमेशा क्रेडिट जो है हीरो को दे दिया जाता है फिल्म का, तो मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्मों का क्रेडिट लिया है जो एक्चुअली 90% या 95% ऐसी फिल्में हैं जो उन लड़कियों की, उन एक्ट्रेसेस की वजह से, तो मैं उनके नाम का खा रहा हूँ।
एक मैसेज आप वर्किंग मदर्स और मदर्स को देना चाहेंगी?
I think I'm lucky. I have a I have a loving and a supportive husband, because right now he's looking after him. So we share the responsibility. You know, it's like he is my car and I'm his key. So key and car, जो screen पे था, अब real life में भी हो रहा है. And he's very supportive. So when he's working, I'm at home, and when I'm working, he's at home. And that's the way I think every man and woman should be, and husband should be to their woman. I don't believe in following anyone, any trends, anything. I think I believe in following one thing, which is the most important thing, which is my heart. I do exactly as I please and exactly as I want. And that's why I think I'm here today. Because when Purnima called me and asked me, and you know, asked my managing team that will actually Kareena walk, because it's only 45 days. And when I was asked, I said, but why should I not walk? You know, normal people don't we walk? So what is the big deal? And I think it's a great opportunity. So I'm doing exactly what I want, and with the support from, you know, everyone, I think that's what's making it even more amazing.
Hi Kareena, you're looking fabulous. Thank you. My question is कि जब तैमूर बड़ा होगा तो आप उन्हें कौन सा एपिसोड दिखाएंगी सीजन 2 का?
Well, hopefully Taimur would be interested in watching each and every episode, because it's not just, you know, like I said, one thing that we've tapped upon what women want. I want him to also, hopefully by then when he grows up, he will grow up knowing, you know, what women want, because he has a working mother at home. He understands that. वो अभी भी मेरे साथ travel कर रहे हैं हर जगह. उन्हें थोड़ा-थोड़ा समझ भी आ रहा है कि हम shoot पे जाते, घर आते, उनके साथ खाना खाते. तो he's learning to respect, I feel, women in that turn, because I tell him that now, you know, like Amma's going to work and I have to work because it's what I want to do, and I will come back as soon as I can. And you know, he does understand. Sometimes now he started talking, he'll say have a good shoot. So hopefully, you know, that love, that respect, he will understand, you know, what actually women want.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
We have so many amazing heroes, and when I say heroes, I use them in the female sense. Women who, to me, I personally admire, and every time or every place where there's always been a moment where I don't know what to do, or where I personally get lost, or I'm looking for support. That is the first thing that I think of, is the strong woman who I admire around me, and the examples of other women who themselves have been through tough times in life, or starting businesses from scratch, you know, being fired from their jobs and not knowing how they're going to support their family. I mean, there's so many amazing stories around us of women who really are truly courageous. And if there's ever a moment in your life where you have you know, an uncertainty, or you're not sure, you know, oh, how am I going to get through this phase? I think that's the most important thing for me that I would say for any woman to do, is look around you. You will always find, whether they're known to you or not known to you, you will find stories, you will find examples of women who are constantly succeeding, and succeeding with some very, very tough and challenging adversities put towards them.
Shushmita, have there been any moment to your center?
Hi, Jan.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
So, in your life, कभी ऐसा हुआ है when you felt very conscious about weight or something like that?
Haan, Jan. I had, I think, 4 years of that. Because I was one of those brilliant people who put on weight and then went on national TV and did a show with Wasim Akram, if you remember. I was superbly overweight. So it became like national news. I would see, you know, those stickers under the news channel? Headlines mein, have you seen Sushmita Sen? But you know, I learned something during that time. I will lose the weight. But what are we going to do about the character everyone else lost in the process? So I think body shaming is not a cool concept. I've never liked it. And it's important to recognize that you're going to have dips like this in your life. You're never going to be consistently perfect. And while you're doing that and you're discovering things about yourself, and let me also tell you, there are people in this world who have genetic issues, people who have health conditions. So to judge people is easy. But to let them just enjoy the moment is difficult, because we are in the limelight and we're people who are judged every day. How did it feel? Not nice. It didn't feel nice at all. But what it did do to me is it brought me back into recognizing the fact that, not because people say so, but I'm a strong woman. My strength can't be seen. I think it's a complete package. So I got onto aerial silk, hung from gymnastic rings, and here I am.
Wow, that's nice. Secondly, whom would you term as a fitness icon in Bollywood now?
Personally, Tiger Shroff.
Okay.
He's fit, very fit.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't see or what?
Any other questions?
You go, girl, Divya. This is the cue. You go. No, there are this generation of actors and people in the industry. They're all moving towards fitness rather than the perception of "mujhe patla hona hai." There's a big difference between being thin and being fit. So I'm very happy that this entire generation of actors are doing that. There are a lot of fit women in the industry.
Hi, Sushmita. Good evening. Here.
Yes, hi.
This is Shayanti. You're looking lovely and stunning. You've always been an inspiration.
Thanks, Shayanti.
So the fact that you mentioned that, at 18 you had the pressure of being Miss Universe and, dealing with everybody's expectation. Now, are you beyond that at this magical age?
I like how you're just skipping the age and just going to this magical age.
You're an inspiration, so again.
It's a lovely question. I don't think you ever stop being a woman. And part of being a woman is being given a compliment, is being appreciated, is being told that you're beautiful. And that beautiful is a lot of work. It's a lot of work because you never get over all of that. But what you do get comfortable with is your skin, is who you are. And then you get to that point where you say, bad day, but if I wake up tomorrow morning and I want to be a 10, I'm going to be a 10. That confidence comes with age. That, unfortunately, doesn't come at 18. Definitely not at the time that I was 18. The 18-year-olds today are far more evolved because they have social media, they have great awareness. We didn't have Google and we didn't have YouTube so our world was very different. But yes, in today's time, if you tell me to define the business of beauty and perfection, I'd tell you just walk all over it, darling. There's no such concept. The only thing that matters is how you perceive yourself. Do you like who you see in the mirror? And if you do, and good for you, don't listen to anybody else.
Thank you.
Yes.
You talk about writing up the lives of people and everyone coming forward. We see a new wave which has probably been waiting to come up.
Yes.
This has risen and now on the forefront.
Yeah.
I understand. I think you understand what I'm trying to say.
But why aren't you saying it? Why do you want me to understand it? The Me Too movement.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please say it.
Say it.
The Me Too movement.
Say it. देखिए सही समय तो तब से था जब से औरतें दुनिया में आई. सही समय अब या कल या परसों नहीं है. If at all we are delayed. But I am very proud of everyone. And it's not a gender bias about women alone. I think the fact that our society, our people, they're all standing up to express themselves, to have a voice, is so powerful. That in my lifetime I got to see that makes me very, very proud as a woman and as a human being for my country.
But the things कुछ shocking भी रही है आपको लगता है जिस तरह से चीजें आई जिन चीजों के बारे में मालूम चला आप कहीं शॉक लगा चीज़
देखिए शॉकिंग हर बारी होगा. Shocking हर बारी होगा. It's not whether it's shocking to us or not, but we're also not ignorant people. We're not blind. It's not like we never knew things like this were happening in the world or in India. But I think what is more shocking is that we did not listen to it for so long. That's shocking to me. And we did nothing about it. But right now, it's not shocking that it's coming out. I'm very proud of it.
ABVP मिशन प्रहार एक ऐसा मिशन तैयार किया है, मिशन साहसी, जो मैं समझती हूँ आज हमारे देश में ऐसे एक मिशन की बहुत बहुत जरूरत है. बदलते समाज और माहौल के बीच ऐसे पहलुओं का हम सभी को स्वागत करना चाहिए, जहां न सिर्फ शारीरिक बल्कि मानसिक रूप में भी महिलाओं को एक नई मजबूती मिले. मैं समझती हूँ जहाँ अन्याय के खिलाफ न सिर्फ मजबूती के आवाज उठाई जाए, बल्कि समाज में खुलकर ऐसे अपराधों के खिलाफ आवाज भी उठाई जाए। महिलाएं मुख्य धारा में होंगी तो हमारा एक नया मजबूत समाज बनेगा। मैं समझती हूँ हमारी जो महिलाएं हैं आज अगर हमारे समाज को बढ़ाती हैं तो प्रथम हमारी जो लड़कियां हैं, हमारी जो महिलाएं हैं, वो इस समाज को आगे बढ़ाती हैं, परिवार को आगे बढ़ाती हैं। और जब तक वो ही महिलाएं अपने अंदर की शक्ति को न पहचाने और न जाने कि उनमें कितनी सहन शक्ति है, उनमें कितनी शक्ति है, कितनी हिम्मत है, तब तक वो परिवार भी आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा। और इसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि आपने सिर्फ हमारी महिलाओं को ये नहीं सिखाया है कि हाँ आप मैदान में आके जंग कीजिए, आप लड़िए, लेकिन मैं समझती हूँ जो आज मैंने प्रदर्शन देखा, आम वस्तुएं जिनको एक हथियार बनाया जा सकता है और हम अपनी बुद्धि को इस्तेमाल करके हर सिचुएशन से, हर हमारे सामने जो बाधाएं आए या ऐसी मुश्किलें आए या ऐसे अगर अत्याचार हो, हम उसको कैसे उसका सामना करें, ये सिखाया गया है, जो आई थिंक बहुत ही जरूरी है। हम ये नहीं कहना चाहते कि 2 दिन में आपको हम एक सुपर हीरो का रूप दे देंगे या आपको ऐसे सिखा देंगे या कि आप 10 लोगों को मार के आ जाएं, लेकिन उस समय एक ऐसी स्थिति से कैसे निकलना, किस तरीके से अपने आप को बचाना, अपनी हिफाजत करना, ये बहुत जरूरी है सीखना। और उस समय आप अपने शारीरिक हिम्मत भी नहीं लेकिन अपनी बुद्धि को भी इस्तेमाल करना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है। वो जरूर ध्यान में रखिए आप।